Are you experiencing some hiccups with your brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max? New Tech Evolve is a platform that focuses on addressing the latest tech issues and finding effective solutions. Today, we will address the issues faced by iPhone 15 Pro Max owners and offer practical solutions to restore their device to its optimal performance. 1. Battery drain. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a powerhouse, but some users report faster than expected battery drain. Cause. The reason behind this could be a few things. It might be because of the new features on the iPhone or a hidden issue in the software. Battery problems often happen when there's a new iOS update. Also, 5G uses more battery than the older LTE, so it's not surprising that the battery is draining quickly. Suggested solution. To help your battery last longer, try these tips. First, always use the latest iOS 17 update, as new updates usually fix some common issues. Also, you can save battery by turning off things you don't use much, like background app refresh and location services. This can help your battery last longer. 2. Connectivity issues. Next up, connectivity is a vital part of any smartphone experience. Many people who bought the new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are having trouble connecting to their home Wi-Fi. They can connect at first, but then they either can't connect again or the connection becomes very slow. Cause. Right now, this problem seems to be happening mostly with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. But some people with older iPhones and iPads are also having trouble after updating to iOS 17.03. It looks like fixing one problem might have caused another, a common issue in technology. This points to a possible issue with iOS that Apple needs to look at. Another reason might be outdated firmware in Wi-Fi access points/routers. But it's hard to say for sure because the problem is happening with different routers, internet providers, and Wi-Fi frequencies. Suggested solution. There are a few suggested fixes online, but none seem to solve the problem completely. The best thing to do right now is to contact Apple if you're having this Wi-Fi problem and tell them about it. More reports from users might push Apple to work faster on a solution, hopefully through a software update. 3. Audio Woes. There's an issue with audio quality in various iPhone 15 models. Users are experiencing distorted and cracky sounds when they turn up the volume, especially through the earpiece speaker. Cause? It's unclear whether this is a hardware or software problem, but it seems like it might be a software issue. Even after getting a new phone, users are still having the same problem. Suggested solution. For now, make sure you're using the latest iOS version. If you still hear crackling, try cleaning the speaker gently or restarting your iPhone. There's no permanent fix yet, but these steps might help improve the sound quality for the time being. 4. Screen burn-in and image retention. Some iPhone 15 Pro Max users are facing screen burn-in issues. A tech enthusiast noticed that an image remains visible on the screen, even when the phone is turned off. Cause. Screen burn-in happens when an image stays on the screen for too long and continues to be visible no matter what's displayed. This is a common problem with OLED screens. It usually starts as image retention, where a faint image from before stays on the screen. Image retention might be due to software and isn't permanent, unlike screen burn-in. Suggested solution. If the issue is screen burn-in, it might suggest a manufacturing problem. Since this is a hardware issue, a software update won't fix it. If your iPhone 15 Pro Max is still under warranty and has this problem, you should ask Apple for help. Enjoying these tips? Don't forget to like and subscribe to New Tech Evolve for more insights on your favorite gadgets. Now, back to fixing those iPhone 15 Pro Max issues. 5. Camera performance. Users of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are encountering a problem with their cameras. These models have a new action button, replacing the silent/ring toggle, which can be set to quickly launch the camera app. However, some users, including those with regular iPhone 15 or 15 Plus models using the lock screen shortcut, have reported a frustrating issue. When they try to open the camera app, they're greeted with a black screen instead of the camera view. Cause. The cause of this black screen issue when launching the camera app is not clear. It seems to happen randomly, whether you're using the action button on the Pro models or the lock screen shortcut on other models. Suggested solution. The current workaround for this problem is fairly straightforward but can be annoying. If you encounter the black screen, you need to quit the camera app or lock your iPhone and then try again. While this solution works, it can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to capture a fleeting moment and the camera doesn't respond in time. 6. Slow and laggy. The classic slow and laggy dance. Some iPhone 15 users have reported feeling the drag, but it seems it is more of an iOS 17 issue than iPhone hiccup. Whether you are rocking the regular or Pro model, users claim things can get a bit sluggish, especially with multiple apps or graphics-intensive games in the mix. Cause? Well, running lots of apps at the same time or having low storage space may cause the issue. But when it comes to brand new phones, it has to be more of an iOS 17 issue. Suggested solution: make sure you have the newest iOS update on your phone. If your phone still seems slow, try restarting it or closing apps you're not using. This might help speed things up again. 7. Overheating. Now let's talk about the most widespread issue reported by iPhone 15 users. Users have pointed out situations where the iPhone 15 becomes a hot potato during intense mobile gaming or when recording high-quality 4K video. Charging the device seems to add fuel to the fire, with some users claiming their iPhone sizzle. Cause? This overheating drama seems to be hitting the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max models particularly hard. Some users even found the titanium frame too hot to handle. Initially, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo speculated that this overheating headache resulted from compromises in the iPhone 15's thermal design to achieve a lighter weight. However, Apple stepped in and proved him wrong by addressing the issue. Suggested solution: update your iPhone to iOS 17. This new update fixes a lot of problems and helps with the overheating issue. Once you update to iOS 17.03, your iPhone 15 should stop getting too hot and start working better. 8. Apple logo loop. Imagine this: you just got your shiny new iPhone 15, and you're all set to move your stuff from your old iPhone. But wait, you hit a frustrating loop of the Apple logo during data transfer. This annoying glitch was first spotted by the folks at 9to5Mac. So what's causing this headache? It seems like a pesky bug in iOS 17 is the main suspect here. Suggested solution: here's what you need to do. If you're setting up your new iPhone 15, and this goes for the whole series, keep an eye out for a prompt to update to the latest iOS version. This should iron out the data transfer trouble. And for those who haven't started setting up their phone yet, here's a pro tip: skip the data transfer part during the initial setup. Go through the usual setup steps first, and then go after the iOS 17 update. If your iPhone suggests updating during setup, great. If not, no biggie. Just complete the setup, give your iPhone a quick reset, and start over. This time, when you choose from another iPhone for data transfer, it should work like a charm. That's a wrap on today's iPhone 15 Pro Max troubleshooting guide. Remember, most issues have simple solutions, and keeping your device updated is key. Got any more questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching New Tech Evolve. See you in the next video, and as always, stay connected and tech savvy.